In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a chart in Miro. Whether you're presenting data, organizing ideas, or simply looking to visually communicate information, Miro's charting capabilities are a powerful tool to bring your concepts to life. Let's dive right in and explore the steps to seamlessly integrate a chart into your Miro board. First things first, you'll want to locate the chart's icon. This is found on the left-hand toolbar in your Miro workspace. It's sometimes referred to as the Charts app or the Graph tool, but no matter the name, it serves the same purpose. This icon is your gateway to a myriad of charting options that Miro offers. Clicking on this icon will open up a selection of different chart types for you to choose from. Once you've accessed the Charts section, you'll find that Miro provides a range of chart types to suit various data visualization needs. You can select from bar charts, pie charts, line charts, and even a Venn diagram, among others. Think about the kind of data or the story you're trying to convey. If you're comparing quantities, a bar chart might be your best bet. If proportions are your focus, a pie chart could do the trick. For trends over time, line charts are particularly useful. And if you're illustrating relationships or commonalities among sets, that's where a Venn diagram might shine. Now, with your chosen chart type in mind, simply click on it and drag it onto your Miro board. This intuitive drag-and-drop action allows you to position the chart precisely where it makes the most sense in your layout. Perhaps you want the chart prominently displayed at the center of your board, or maybe it serves as a supportive visual tucked neatly alongside your text. Wherever it lands, you'll have the flexibility to move and resize it as needed. With your chart now added to the board, you have the ability to further customize how it looks and functions. Miro makes it easy to input your data directly into the chart. Simply click into the chart area, and you'll be able to enter or edit the data points to align with the message you're conveying. The platform often allows you to adjust colors, labels, and more, so feel free to explore these features to enhance the clarity and visual appeal of your chart. Adding a chart in Miro not only elevates your presentation's visual impact, but also enhances understanding by making complex data more accessible and engaging. It's a task that might initially seem daunting, but with Miro's user-friendly interface, it becomes a straightforward process. And there you have it, a simple yet effective guide to incorporating charts into your Miro board. Keep exploring and experimenting with different chart types to discover what works best for you and your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy Miro charting!